Welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to be doing what am I reading. So right now in the month of October I've read two books. They are nothing I normally read. They're contemporary romance, but they're on a whole, I don't know why I even read these books, but we'll talk about them in October. Anyway, I am currently reading Colleen Hoover's Without Merit, and let me tell you, this book, I don't even know where she get this idea from, but it is over the top family drama, but I'm loving it. so I'll give you a little setup. So you have a father, his ex-wife, his current wife, who used to be his mistress. They have a 4-year-old son together. He also have a set of twins with the first wife and a son with the first wife. So let's see, you have 7. Then you have a boyfriend of one of the twin girls, and you have a brother for mistress, and a dog. So that's so many people in one household. And on top of that, the household used to be a church. So they turned the church into a home, and there was a little drama how they got the church. So that gives you a setup of the drama and the dysfunction in this family. But I'm loving it. So the story is told by one of the twin daughter, and you get to learn about her. And I'm loving her. She's like weirdo, kind of attention seeker. I don't know, something about her that is like interesting to me, and I'm for it. So we'll see. But I'm only about 35% in the book. So we'll see how far it goes. Hopefully she keep this momentum, because I think this is like a good, fun family drama that, you know, it's just in what reality, but in what reality this book would exist. But for me, I like stuff like that. It's out of the, you know, her typical books that she writes. So I'm all for it. I'm just hoping that towards the end she doesn't disappoint me, that she keep this craziness going. But that's it. Anyway, if you're reading this book or any other book, you know, what are you reading this weekend? You know, it's my birthday weekend, so, you know, I'm all for having fun. But I like my early morning reads, so hopefully I might finish this book this weekend. If not, who knows. But I will be blogging a few things about that I plan on doing this weekend. If everything goes as how I planned my birthday weekend. But anyway, stop rambling. Bye.